You've got cortex from here to here is cortical tissue. And then from here to here is medulla, or medullary tissue. Contained within medullary tissue, you have the renal pyramids. And within the renal pyramid, you're going to have the actual nephrons. Between adjacent pyramids, there's tissue that's the same kind of tissue here, and it's located between them, and that's called a renal column.
How would you test that for a...
Well, if I put a piece of tape and I put an
tissue
arrow
between
from here to
columns?
here, or if I put a piece of tape right here and I put tissue type.
And here, this tissue right here, those are the columns you're talking about?
Between, like this is a column, this is a renal column. So there's columns of tissue between pyramids.
Okay, got it.
And it's the same kind of tissue, so it's the same color.
I thought you were talking about between the actual fibers of the pyramid.
No, between adjacent pyramids.
Okay.
So we have renal columns. It's a place where larger diameter blood vessels transmit between those columns.
We're not going over the kidney until we get to urine.
Right, we'll go over this on Tuesday. So we have blood flowing in, so we have renal artery, and then it's gonna, I can't see all the branches of it. We have renal artery, segmental artery, interlobar artery, between lobes, and then it makes an abrupt turn into arcuate artery. And then we go from here, we go over to an expanded view. So, arcuate artery, and then we come up here, it looks like a tree. The new name is cortical radiate for this artery here. It looks like a tree. The old name for it is interlobular. Then once you get past cortical radiate, then you actually enter the nephron, so then you're an afferent arteriole, and then it goes into glomerulus, that massive capillary bed, and then you come out as efferent arteriole. So this is simply a capillary bed, so you have to have blood that flows in, and you have to have an exit. Does that make sense?